Everything you thought you knew about the moonfish is completely wrong. Scientists are baffled because this fish does something no other fish in the world can. Deep in the freezing, dark ocean, the moonfish hides a secret that defies everything we thought we knew about marine life. And if you stick around until the 4-minute mark of this video, we will reveal the exact mechanism this creature uses to achieve what no other fish in the world can do. So join us as we reveal why scientists couldn't explain this moonfish. Years ago, fishermen hauling in their catches from the deep Pacific waters occasionally found something completely unexpected tangled in their nets. A massive, disc-shaped creature with bright silver scales and brilliant crimson fins emerged from the depths, looking more like something from another planet than anything that belonged in our oceans. They called it the moonfish, and for the longest time, scientists assumed it was just another slow, sluggish creature drifting through the cold darkness below. But they were completely wrong. In 2012, a research team off the coast of California made a discovery that would change everything we thought we knew about fish biology. While examining tissue samples from one of these peculiar creatures, biologist Nicholas Wagner noticed something that should have been impossible. The blood vessels in the moonfish's gills were arranged in a pattern he had seen before, but never in this location. It was a design so remarkable that when the team published their findings in the journal Science 3 years later, the scientific community was stunned. The moonfish, also known as the opah, had been hiding a secret that made it unlike any other fish on the planet. The opah doesn't look like what you would imagine when you think of a fierce ocean predator. Measuring roughly the size of a large automobile tire and weighing anywhere from 100 to 600 pounds, this fish appears almost strangely round. Its body is laterally compressed into a deep disc shape, covered in tiny smooth scales that shimmer with iridescent silver, purple, and green hues. White spots scatter across its flanks like stars against a night sky, while its fins and mouth are painted in striking shades of scarlet and vermilion. Large eyes ringed with golden yellow peer out from this unusual form, giving the fish an almost surprised expression. These fish inhabit the mesopelagic zone of our oceans, dwelling anywhere from 150 to over 1,000 feet beneath the surface. Down there, the water temperature hovers just above freezing, usually around 10 degrees Celsius or colder. Light barely penetrates to these depths, creating a twilight world where most creatures move slowly to conserve energy. In this environment, the typical hunting strategy is to wait motionless in the darkness and ambush whatever unfortunate prey happens to swim by. Energy is precious in the deep ocean, and most fish that live at these depths are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature matches the frigid water around them. This keeps their metabolism slow and their movements sluggish, which is why scientists always assumed the opah would be no different. But the opah is different in ways that still surprise researchers today. When Wagner examined those gill samples back in 2012, he recognized an intricate network of blood vessels arranged in what scientists call a rete mirabile, which translates from Latin as wonderful net. This arrangement had been seen before in other fish like tuna and certain species of sharks, but it had always been located deep within the body near the swimming muscles. The opah had this incredible structure wrapped around its gills in a location where no fish had ever been found to have it before. The wonderful net works through a process called countercurrent heat exchange, and it functions remarkably similar to a car radiator. Warm blood flowing out from the body core passes right next to cold blood, returning from the gills where it has just absorbed oxygen from the icy seawater. As these vessels run alongside each other in tightly packed arrays, heat transfers from the warm blood to the cold blood before it circulates back through the body. The entire system is wrapped in a layer of fat about a centimeter thick, providing insulation that you would never expect to find in a fish. The opah is the world's only fully warm-blooded fish. Unlike tuna or sharks that can temporarily warm up certain muscles while hunting, the opah maintains its entire body at a temperature about 5 degrees Celsius warmer than the surrounding water. Its heart stays warm, brain stays warm, muscles stay warm, and all of its internal organs operate at this elevated temperature, regardless of how deep the fish dives or how cold the water becomes. This makes the opah a true endotherm, joining mammals and birds as one of the few animal groups capable of whole body temperature regulation. So how does the opah generate enough heat to maintain this warm body temperature? The answer lies in those large wing-like pectoral fins that give the fish its distinctive silhouette. While most fish propel themselves forward by moving their tail from side to side, the opah swims by, constantly flapping its oversized pectoral fins like a penguin flying through water. This unique swimming method requires massive chest muscles that work continuously, generating tremendous amounts of heat through their constant movement. Researchers have discovered that these muscles contain specialized tissue regions that can generate additional heat without even contracting, providing a constant source of warmth. Being warm-blooded in the cold ocean depths provides the opah with advantages that border on unfair when compared to its cold-blooded neighbors. A warmer body temperature means faster muscle contractions, which translates directly into swimming speed and agility. The opah can accelerate rapidly and maintain high speeds for extended periods, capabilities that most deep-dwelling fish simply cannot match. Its cardiovascular system operates with greater efficiency, providing better endurance during long hunts. The fish's brain functions faster with improved neural transmission speeds, leading to quicker reaction times. Even its vision gets a boost from the elevated temperature, with studies showing that the opah keeps its eyes and brain even warmer than the rest of its body. This warm-blooded nature completely changed how scientists viewed the opah's behavior. Before this discovery, researchers assumed the moonfish was a slow, passive creature that drifted through the depths. The reality could not be more different. The opah is an active, aggressive hunter that pursues its prey through the water column. Stomach analyses have revealed a diverse diet consisting primarily of squid, krill, and various small fish species. The opah uses its speed and endurance to chase down these agile prey animals, something that would be extremely difficult for a cold-blooded fish operating at such depths. Yet despite this groundbreaking discovery, the moonfish remains hidden in mystery. Scientists know surprisingly little about the basic life history of these creatures. Their population sizes remain unknown, and their exact lifespan is uncertain, with estimates suggesting they might live anywhere from 1 to 10 years. Their reproductive habits are poorly understood, with scientists believing they spawn multiple times per year in warmer surface waters, but the details remain largely a mystery. The solitary nature of these fish makes them incredibly difficult to study in their natural habitat. Unlike tuna, that move together in large groups, opah seem to prefer a lonely existence. This solitary lifestyle, combined with their preference for deep water far from shore, means that human encounters with living opah are rare. Most of what scientists know comes from specimens accidentally caught as bycatch in commercial fisheries. Recent genetic analysis has revealed that what scientists once thought was a single widespread species is actually at least 6 distinct species, each with its own geographic range and subtle physical differences. Scientists are now intensely curious about whether they all possess the same remarkable warm-blooded capabilities, or if there are variations in their thermal biology. As we continue to explore and study the depths of our planet's waters, the opah serves as a reminder that the ocean remains one of Earth's last great discoveries. So, what do you think about moonfish? Could there be even more fish out there with abilities that we are unaware of? If you found this story about the remarkable moonfish as fascinating as we did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible discoveries from the natural world.